Hey guys, Aaron here for the Love of Tech. And have you ever ordered something and it came in the mail and you're like, I know I ordered it, but I don't know exactly what it is? Well, that's how I feel about this package here. Now, I know I ordered cases for the Galaxy Note 9, but what I don't remember is the cases that I ordered. So we're gonna have some fun and figure out what it is I actually ordered. Here it is, the absolutely beautiful, brand new, extremely naked, unprotected Galaxy Note 9. And here are some amazing cases, and I'm not really too sure what cases are inside, so I am just as excited to get into this as you are. What did I do? Look at all these cases. There's a ton of cases. All right, well, let's get cracking. That one, we have the Monarch, my ever favorite plasma clear, and the Plio, which was a new one with the Galaxy S9, and this one, which I believe is kind of new. This is the Plio. I think it's clear. It's the Plio in clear. Now, before I even get into it, I can tell you right now, I love Urban Armor Gear cases. They usually all carry the same type of characteristics, a little bit of the same features. Most importantly, they all have the same kind of protection. They have raised edges on the corners, which is essential if you're dropping a phone and it's rumbling and it's tumbling, boom. Well, you want your corners protected. You want some air cushion in the corners so that way there's a little bit of a bounce action. You're not locked into just hitting the ground and breaking your phone. This is a glass-on-glass sandwich. It ain't gonna take much to break. So we gotta keep in mind that we gotta protect our phones. I've broken my phones. It's not fun. You feel like a doo-doo head. You don't wanna feel like a doo-doo head. Get a case for your phone. Not this case, because these are expensive. I'll put the link in the description. They're not cheap, but I like them. That's why I do a case review. They're not for everyone. We're going to go ahead and start with, usually it's my least favorite of all the cases. This is the Monarch. Why is it my least favorite, guys? Well, look at this. It looks very military, right? It looks really military. It's not bad. I mean, it looks like there's even like metal studs in there. I mean, it's made really well. This one adds more bulk to the phone than any of the other cases. You see how much, if you look in there, sure, that's a lot of protection, but it's a lot of extra width that you're carrying around all the time too. It's give and take. You give a little, you take a little. This is how this always works. So let's go ahead and let's jump into the plasma. This one's always my favorite. I've got it on two of my other phones right now. Okay, here is the plasma case. You can see right through it. You can still take advantage of that beautiful blue. We gotta get rid of this sticker. No one wants the sticker coming through their case. Nobody wants that. So here, you see your color still comes through. And that's what we like about this case, is you can still see that it's a pretty blue. It's a little bit more protection there for your S Pen. So keep that in mind too. Now let's go ahead and jump back into the Plio. Remember I said last case review when I talked about my Galaxy S9 Plus, I was like, this is my least favorite case. I don't like it. And I wasn't a big fan of it at first. But then I started using it, and what I come to realize is that this is a thin case that provides all the essential protection that I need. I didn't realize that I was scoffing at what was going to become my favorite case. Here it is. It doesn't add a whole lot of extraness to your phone. If that's a word, we're going to use that today. Extraness. That's a made-up word. I guess all words are made up. In essence, they got to come from somewhere. Someone makes them up. This is it. This is, again, it's come to be one of my favorite. You can see that it goes up there. It goes up, it goes up, it goes up. So your phone is raised a little bit on all sides, which is awesome. So now here's a new one. This is a new Plio, a clear Plio. They didn't have this when I bought my S9 Pluses. This one actually might be my new favorite because it's super clear. Look at this. You can see right through it. This is by far my new favorite case. It has the raised edges. The corners here look super cool. And then you've got your protection on the sides. So there's that. We're going to go ahead. Cases in review. We have the Monarch. This is your more rugged for the military type of guy. Solid, thick. This is the plasma. I'm always a giant fan of the plasma. I love the way it looks. This is the Plio, the red Plio, the one that was my favorite last year for the Galaxy S9 Plus, and now it's my favorite for my Note 9. However, I have a clear one, so I like it even more. So I'm totally excited about this case. When you get such a beautiful phone and then you gotta cover it up with a case, it's like, well then why do I pick a color if I'm gonna cover it up? But this phone lets me show off my color, show off my S Pen, and protect my phone all at the same time. Here for the Love of Tech, we are doing another giveaway. The giveaway is going to be in October. One of the prizes is going to be a OnePlus 6. I picked it up earlier in the year, so that is 100% guaranteed. I'm probably going to sprinkle in a whole bunch of other cool little toys and little games and little gadgets and gizmos like I do every single giveaway. And if you're kind of wondering what I give away in my giveaways, go check out some of my old giveaway videos and see how much fun we have. But in order to enter into the giveaway right here through this video, you have to comment on this video and type out in Roman numeral expressions 75,216 dash and tell me which of these 4 cases you like the most and why. Again, we have the Plasma, we have the red Plio, we have the Monarch, and then we have the clear Plio. So tell me which one you like the most. That will gain you 1 additional entry into the giveaway. If you want to get multiple entries into the giveaway, all you have to do is take this video right here, share it on social media, take a screenshot, then send me an email, multiple screenshots, several social media shares, 1 email. Aaron, ARON, at the number 4, theloveoftech.com. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If this is your first time here, hit the subscribe button and then also hit the notification bell so that way you actually know when my videos are coming out. We love to have fun here for the Love of Tech, so come and check out additional videos, come join in on the live streams, and most importantly, have an awesome day. Namaste.